In one short week, the United States has gone from being the world's superpower to asking its nurses to sew their own protective gowns and masks. Now, in this early phase of a war against coronavirus, the country has failed miserably. As of Friday, there have been 519,000 tests performed in the United States, among a population of 327 million. Now, that is just 0.15% of all Americans. President Donald Trump has signed a $2.2 trillion stimulus package that will give each American about $1,200. He has also ordered General Motors to make ventilators after attacking the car giant's chief executive. The United States is without a doubt the most advanced country in the world. But does it have the infrastructure to withstand this massive surge of COVID-19 patients? A new survey indicates that the health system in most U.S. cities is running on fumes. Now, data from 213 cities across America shows that the country is ill-prepared for the outbreak it is facing. They also reported massive shortages, and here are some of the key findings. 91% of the surveyed cities have a huge shortage of masks for first responders. 88% of them lack personal protective equipment. 92% of the cities do not have enough testing kits. And 85% have an acute shortage of ventilators. Now, that's not all. More than 60% of the cities are yet to receive emergency medical equipment from the state administration. The U.S. needs 28 million masks, 7.9 million test kits, and 139,000 ventilators to absorb this surge in patients. Now, keep in mind that the survey did not include New York, which is one of the worst hit cities in the country. So these numbers could actually be much higher. Novel coronavirus has battered the world, from the United States to Europe. The world is coming together to combat the pandemic. Countries are boosting their efforts to contain the contagion. A Welsh town has deployed drones to organize a warning system to ensure that people stay home. Drones are being used in Neath and Port Talbot town centres to remind citizens of social distancing measures. People have been told to stay home unless they have to leave for groceries and medicines, shopping, exercise or work. Our Welsh police are using drones to target hotspots where people have not been following orders. More than 14,000 infections have been reported in the United Kingdom, with almost 760 fatalities. Coronavirus is spreading in the UK, and the government is seeking all possible ways to minimize its spread.